Alright, so welcome to another Do Road with Dutty. Since November, no shave. I kind of chop off some of the hair and the beard. I mean, I just bush it up for the whole of the month. Altogether, Sing is the guest judge shit. Somebody want me this?
You have anything in there? It's not there. It's crying. Hola. Nina. Call them in the room.
I'm vlogging my shirt when I get there. What's that? Oh.
Spell. Spell. What is Nina's last name?
I'm so tired.
Spell.
I'm really, really tired. Not going to tell them recording now, we're not going to tell people that my neck got fat. It was just a situation where I think the TVJ, the TVJ air condition did something to, what do you call it, word is constrict?
The shirt?
I don't know if I'm a neck or something, but something went wrong.
Or the AC made the shirt shrink.
Yeah, the AC, that is it.
Yes.
Someone knows I used to tell good excuse at school.
Yeah. Explain my fatness too.
And some save you over there, so. So your name Wendy?
Yes.
Hi Wendy.
Hi.
Thank you for saving me today. Cause them people over here said I just left me for suffer. They don't want me to be slim.
Nope.
They just want me fat so they can't make fun of me. But it's not going to happen.
Advice I get fat.
Oh, well, that's what you just say, well, because some voice I get fat.
What advice they?
You just hear the voice and it sound like a fat voice.
Wow,
Yeah. Fat laugh too.
You better hope that the pin don't bust out.
I can't believe I'm being roasted. Roasted by a bunch of girls in the makeup room. It's awful.
Look out for Dutty Berry's interview on
Is
Intense.
TV now one better?
Yeah, because I have an album
New
and come
album
out.
dropping.
Brand new artist.
No.
Yeah.
You guys didn't know.
I'm talented like that. New DJ on the scene.
Right, look out for it.
And so I can get you for be my backup dancer.
Yeah, I can dance. I can't sing though. I can be a backup dancer.
More like Renee 630 dancehall queen shirt type of dancing, cause that is what, you know, like blood off.
Wow.
Them something there. Now look at ballet, now look at NDTC, now look at something
You always
there.
draw me up for the
Dancehall.
and thing there.
Yeah.
I realize.
Because you have the potential, it's in there.
I
I
have
know say, I just know say like when you're there home and you're in your room and you see the mirror, like I feel like you do them look at something there, you go all out and then you come a party and give the look at stush wine.
That's true, actually.
Sit there, sit in on my seat.
But there's a at home and not out the room.
Why? Because it come off looking.
You see me doing hot up and all them things.
But here though.
Hey, show me the latest dance. Show me the latest dance. Show me the hot up. The hot up. Show me the hot up. Come on. Where the fire there? Where the fire there? Where the fire there? Yeah, hot up. Yeah.
Just one day, just put one little preview, one little 15 seconds of what you're doing in your room and put it up on Instagram. And people, yeah man, and people will give you feedback and say, yeah, you can go to Frenchman and the different part of them.
Them ready.
Oh yeah, them are calling for me. Oh shoot, I'm going over, bye. Alright, so just about to start judging the first school. That's going to be Old Harbour. And with me is Joy and Michael over there. Say hey. And Nico over here, so. There. Behind the scenes, all together scene.
Face.
Hi, bye.
Fresh face.
Very warm.
Alright, so now I'm going to rush to go back around because the taping and the briefing so start. But I'm look like Kartel. I never have to look like Kartel, so. Alright, so that is Star and High going back. Hi.
Banana, banana, banana is nice and sweet.
4 more to go. And I'm not lunch yet. What did you just say a while ago, Joy? You're hungry?
And Joy is hungry.
Okay. So you're not the hungry person here?
He's hungry.
Me hungry for everybody. So if you get the food and you don't want it, I'll gladly take it.
But when that time comes, we'll make the decision.
Alright. Also finishing? 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock for you?
Quarter to two.
I'll say, you call the people and tell them say you're not going to make it for your meeting.
Quarter to two.
You tell them say you're not going to make it for your meeting.
I have to make it.
You're
I
not
will
going to
leave
make
you
it
to
for them.
finish the show.
You're not going to. Oh, this is the high school choir. It's a close up right in the mouth, you know. So make sure the color Luna itch up in there. See them there. Alright, bye. Hold on, but son, I get problem. Jesus. Come here and get the pin in a problem. Look over there. Them gone. You have to plug your school. Oh, so here do my judge work. The schools. I'm gonna tell the people that say I'm hungry, I want food, and this is how they come carry me. You see? Scandal bag. No? So now everywhere I go, people going to have it that I'm hungry belly. I'm not hungry belly, right?
Hungerberry. Hungerberry.
I'm done. I'm gonna eat. Can give me a contour or something? Yeah, contour in there, you know. And,
You need a job.
And some highlighting.
and some, yeah,
Yeah.
for sure, the cheekbone right there.
Yeah.
They can't see without these?
No, I'm a cancer chick.
Okay.
You know, some of their hopes and whenever here.
That's how I interpret what I
Just said cancer
She IT.
and the children's show.
It on my chest. You know, so every time I come on TV,
Picking them back at him. Stop black me. Your hand are black.
Me can't help it now word though.
You can't do it.
remember the contour.
You're right. You're gonna feel right.
Just several
Yeah.
things cannot fix right there, so.
Oh, jeez, come on, man, try it for me.
No, put on the glasses on this guys.
Yeah, fight against. Okay, thank you. You see, that's right? Oh, gosh, thank you.
It fits good.
Yeah.
It look clean.
No, because one of my ears them hide under.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
it's
That
on-
would explain a lot.
I want you to give us a line from one of your favorite songs. Sing it.
Jesus Christ. I can't sing right now. We're going to try down under the old man
let's
vibes.
go.
Oh, I'll fly away. Oh, when you just as I left myself, so I same way the man sing.
Okay, everybody. So start us off. Go.
Oh, I'll fly away. Oh, glory. Oh, did I know them singing it too young?
Why you try to show up my song?
When she said it and then I heard you say, if I could love you guys anymore, I figured it out.
What could them song? Hallelujah, bye and bye. No man, you grow with granny. See that?
You did a good job, Julie.
Thank you. So this is my alma mater, Excelsior High. So the pit them there. Get your over this again. Bye bye Excelsior. Tell Mr. Bromfield say now let's go. Okay, so who just perform? Excelsior just done perform and his
Alright, yeah.
maggot is time to go now. Sipping everyone in the back.
Alright.
Why am I look like Kartel so? No, I dare my show. The director feel good a while ago. You're like, yes, thank you, yes. Okay, Maggoty. You can remix the song, the gospel song. Maggoty. Worship. No, it can't still work. Maggoty.
Okay. Maggoty. Maggoty, I like the name. I'm thinking of my name, my daughter, that Maggoty Berry. Nice name. But I thought this was a full performance plus stocks. You guys look like you're doing the research. And when I put in the effort into it, I could have see it. I like the way you pronounce gyal. You know, test and next time I say that, I'm gonna sing for you. It was pretty good. Down to the mouth, did I go do choreography? It was pretty nice. So keep it up, yeah. What a polite girl.
This is Wolmer's Boys.
No, she alright. Oh, okay, Nina, let's
Man.
Oi, the rain a come. Me goose cook now.
Wolmer's supposed to carry little feelings because when they apply for 6 form I never really get through. But you know, I went to Meadowbrook and I enjoyed my time there. But it was enjoyable, and you know, when we hear something in the competition, they kind of shock me and say how you never manage, but you know, live up and actually doing pretty good. One part of the song where it says something about broom and the brother they put out field map. Yeah, then there's something there, and the brother they had a green. Step forward, man, the brother had a green outfit. Now you want to have green jacket suit. Yeah, man, the brother there. Dead stamp on my grandpa. Down to the...
Thank you.
Chop it high, chop it low, too slow. Chop it high. Kids are gone in. They're going away. Excel son never left yet. I'm going to tell Mr. Bromfield to give all of this detention. What? Well, because you don't deserve it. Me could get them treatment here. If you leave for your hour and you come back. So, about food?
Yes, repeat the food
around the back.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we're very happy. Judge has been hungry. Alright.
Okay. Alright. Nice.
You're meeting. Remember your meeting. You're meeting. Yes. So just don't shell down the food. See there, they want to take a picture, but yeah, this is the aftermath. So Joy, they're about to leave. We just don't have a discussion. I learned some stuff about the internet. How they are reason about whole life. Well easy now. Alright, so bye, Joy.
Alright, take care. Wait. Alright, let me do it.
Ufa can't get touched, man.
Yeah, big hold on. I'm not taking a picture yet. Wait, I'm on that.
What a video this? Yeah, for the vlog. Hold on. No, my face looks so big.
I'm a good YouTuber. Where is big free? Yo, my nose can be funny on screen. Make sure my nose is the nose. That's in there on Mario.
Yeah, one video.
Yo, look, bro. A video. Yo, vote for Woolman's. Vote for Woolman's, you know. Vote for Woolman's. 4-4.
Whole foot in the avenue, so gonna school enough. We have money. I ain't a parliament. When you're supposed to get the highest votes, then.
Real. Yeah, man.
Alright, so I'm finished now. The day is done. Don't know I'm about to go home now, and that was it for Altogether Sing TVJ.